Hello friends, in this video I am going to do unboxing and review of FuTech Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphones. I will also explain complete functionality. This is 3-axis Gimbal 2S. It supports all iPhones, Samsung and any Android device. Packaging was really good. Box comes with user manual, fabric cloth for cleaning, charging cable, phone charging cables for iPhone, Android and Samsung device, wristband and mini tripod. Gimbal quality looks great to me. On the handle there are buttons for joystick, power on off and shutter. This is the charging port. Joystick button is helpful to rotate the phone 360 degree. This is the focus button used with FuOn app. You can rotate this phone holder horizontal and vertical. Motor lock can fix the position of the axis, which is convenient for installation and balancing, and also safer and better for packing and carrying. You can also adjust this size as per your need. The gimbal rod is extendable up to 18 cm. The built-in micro USB port allows you to charge the phone via gimbal. With micro USB interface, it supports direct charging of mobile power bank. Both can work at same time. It has long battery life. Battery support the gimbal to work up to 10 hours continuously. Let's power on the gimbal. Before you use this gimbal, connect Bluetooth on your phone so you can operate shooting mode. It is user-friendly and portable. 3-axis motor locks design ensure the convenience to balance. FuTech Gimbal 2S supports 360 degree POV, face object tracking, Hitchcock zoom, panorama, motion time lapse, etc. I am walking with the gimbal in the park. This is the footage which I took by walking with the gimbal. It makes a big difference. Stabilization is great. This is one of my favorite shots with the gimbal. Let me show you the difference between selfie stick and this gimbal. I am walking with holding both. These are the footage. Left side is gimbal and right side is selfie stick. As you can see, there is a big difference. Operate the gimbal is very easy. Instruction is not very clear, but I figured it out with the testing and FuOn app. FuOn app doesn't impress me a lot, but it is good to learn technique. They have tutorial for learning purpose. There is also option for free edit and auto edit videos. Let me show you some footage which I took with this gimbal. For 5 reasons I like this gimbal. Number 1. Balancing and stabilization is great. Number 2. You can mount any cell phone with this gimbal. Number 3. Battery life is long up to 10 hours. Number 4. You can charge your phone with this gimbal. Number 5. 3-axis motor locks works great. I believe this FuTech gimbal is best for vlogging, to make YouTube videos, function shooting, taking selfies and live streaming. Its price is around $100. I have provided buying link in description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.